Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to present on my project which titled Shoes Store System. So this is my details. My name is Amisya Azurin Binti Rosli. My student ID is 2020-498658 and I am from group EMD2M8A1. So this is my picture. So for the introduction, for the first one is I'm going to state my problem statements. The problem statements is the system that has been used by the company always make problem. The error occurs when the staff entered the input into the system. For example, whenever staff enter the branch chose by the customer, the output, which is the price, does not match with the brand. Other than that, the system has no specification of the shoes type and gender. If the problem continuously occurs, it might cause loss by the company. The system before is inconvenient and it will cause trouble to the calculation of the price. So I'm going to show you what is my objective for this project. So first, to make sure the system more convenient. Second, to make sure the system can perform correctly according to the input entered by the user. Third, to make sure that no error occurs during the calculation of the shoes price. And the last one is to make sure the system displayed the correct output, which is the price. For the usage of the project is, first, this project can be used to calculate the price of the shoes after the offers. The second, the system produced for the staff to enter the brand shoes that being chosen by the customer. Third, the system able to display the brand of shoes and also to display the price after calculation. And the last one of the usage of the project is the system also being able for customer to buy twice. For example, after one transaction has done, customer be able to buy for the second time with another transaction. So this is my flowchart. So I'm going to show you how my flowchart. So let's see. So this is my flowchart. So as usual, has start. So after we want to start our program, our system, I put it here. The staff need to choose either to continue or to exit. So if you want to continue, then it will read the shoes type, either kids or adult. And then if the staff enter kids, so it will read the gender of the kid type, which is either boy or girl. So if the staff choose boy, it will go to read the quantity for the first loop. Read the quantity and then read the brands. So we have 4 types of brand. So the staff need to select which brand that the customer want. Then it will it will put the size of the shoes, which is the range 1 to 5 for the kids shoes. And then after enter the size, after select the brand, it will display the price. So same goes to when the staff choose for the girl shoes. It will run same. It will select which brand and then put the size and also display the price. If the staff entered the wrong size, it will display invalid size. Same goes when the staff entered the wrong brand, it will display invalid brand. So this is same when we do for adults. So it will select the brands and display the price. So this is the brand, the selection of male shoes, and then this is for the female shoes. So I'm going to show you how my system works. So let's see how my system works. So this is my coding. So here I have put some comments, and this is the library. So here I put for example, for the library CC type, I put it get line C in name. So it will enter the staff name. Next, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this I put total 1 is equal to floor in bracket price 1. So what is floor? For example, if the price is 118.91, so the price display is 118 only because I put it floor. Floor is under the C Maths library. So this is the function of floor. So I put it set W for Ironman nib. So that's my coding. So let's go to how to run my system. So let's see how my system run. So first, it will display hello, welcome to Showcraft Store. So what is the Showcraft Store? Showcraft Store is the company's name. So he said make sure to turn on your caps lock for convenient system. So for the system can run smoothly, turn on caps lock. So he said staff name, so I put my name Amisya, and then he asks either to continue or to exit. I want to continue my system, and then it asks me to choose kids or adults. So I put kids here, and I put girl for girl, G for girl, and it display the brand of shoes. So he said quantity of all shoes. So I'm gonna buy only one pairs of shoes. So I put 1, and choice is Nike number 3. So it will display the brand shoes is Nike, and the size is 4. Since I have said just now, for the kid shoes, the size is range 1 to 5, and for the adult shoes, the range is 6 to 10. So it will display the total price. So the system asks the staff either to continue or to exit. So let's say the staff want to continue, so put it 1. So he asks again either kids or adults, so I'm going to buy for adult shoes for this time. So which gender? I'm going to buy for male gender, M, and it display the brand of the male shoes. So I'm going to buy 2 pair of shoes. So this is how the loop starts. So I'm going to buy for the first one is choice number 1 is kickers, so I put it 1. So it will display brand shoes is kickers, the size is 4. Oh no, we cannot put it 4 because it is invalid size, so I put it 9. Okay, the choice is I want to buy another shoes is brand number 4. I want to buy brand shoes is S6, and the size is 8. So it will display the total price. The total price is 354. Thank you for coming. Do come again. So this is if we put the correct input, the valid input. So let's see. We run for the second time how the system how the system run when I put the invalid input. So same. We need to put the staff name. And then he asks either to continue or to exit. I want to continue. I want to choose adult shoes, and I want to put female. So quantity of all shoes, I want to buy just 1 shoes. I put 1. So choice is number 3. So let's say for this time I put the invalid size, so I put it 3. So it will display invalid size, so total is 0.00. Since it is invalid size, so the price is not being calculated. So same, it asks either to continue. So let's say for this time I'm not put either 1 either 2, so I put it 5 for example. So it just display thank you for coming. So that means the system is not run for this time. So I'm not going to choose the shoes brand. So that is how my system run. So Only that, thank you.